Alright, what's going on, guys? Got another quick video for you, nothing great. Basically what's going on is that I've been a little busy. I'm getting ready to show you guys why I've been a little busy. I've got to head out to the new house. I've been working on it, trying to get ready to go for the move-in. I'm going to give you a quick sneak peek of what's going to come. I've got the video of when we dropped the cradle and everything in my buddy's Corvette. And I also got a video from my cousin that we're going to upload soon from his G8. So just hang on 1 second, we'll get to the house and I'll show you what's taking so long. Alright, so here it is. This is what's going on right behind me, if you can tell. I'm out here at my new house. I'm going to show you real quick, take you inside, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about and why I haven't been able to upload. As you can tell, I've been doing a lot of demolishing. Yeah, kind of crazy going on. So I gotta do all new floors, going through the whole house. Basically, this is what it did look like right there. But everything's getting kind of changed out. But this is exactly why I couldn't get you a video out this week on a car. But with that being said, we did just now sell the wheels off the Mustang, the uni-lug wheels that I was talking about that are a big piece of shit. We got rid of them motherfuckers, so they're out the door. I'm not sure exactly what we're going to do yet. That's up to Kev, because basically he bought the uni-lugs and he sold them, so I don't know what he's going to replace them with. It could be anything knowing him. So I'm just as excited as you guys are to figure out what that's going to be. It may just be race stars again, but it just might be direct drills or something like that, polished, or we're really wanting some billet specialties is what we're really wanting. But anyway, this is exactly why it's been taking so long. And like I said, I'm gonna throw up here in the corner a sneak peek of the Corvette when we start working on it, do the converter in it and the camshaft and all that. And then I'll also throw up, right after that, I'll throw up a video of my cousin who sent me a sneak peek of him putting the converter and the diff and all that stuff in the G8. Well, actually it's just the diff in the G8 actually. He did get the converter and stuff in the car though. So I'm looking forward to a video on that. If he'll hurry up and get this sumbitch to me, I don't know. He's being kind of slow. I don't know what he's got going on. But anyways, this is it. Let me show you the garage real quick, which is where all the videos will be taken from here on out. Take a second, I got this camera on auto white balance, which I need to take it off and just correct all this shit in post. But anyway, this is where it's all going to go down. It's a 30 by 40. Eventually I'm going to add on another 10 foot or another 20 by 30 onto it with 12 foot ceiling, so I can have a lift. But this is where it'll be going down, guys. Well, it's late. I want to end this video real quick right here. As you can tell right behind me, I've got a bunch of shit going on. Basically we had to tear out the wall because it was bowed out. Well, we got to tear the drywall out and it was all water, so it's all molded. So I had to tear all that shit out. So you want to take a look. All that shit is molded all the way down through there. All that shit right there. So with that being said, it looks like I need you guys to be a little patient with me on some YouTube videos. I'm gonna try to get them up as soon as I can. Keep checking back if you don't mind. I'm gonna try to get on my cousin up north, Adam, and hopefully get him to send me some videos or get him to post some videos. Just bear with us for a little bit, you know. He's still shooting on his phone and stuff like that, which looks pretty good on quality actually for his phone. He uses a Samsung. I'm sure he's an Android fag. Anyways, that's the update for this week. Stay tuned, like and subscribe to the page if you don't mind, if you like the content. We'll have some more car stuff coming up soon. The weather is just now starting to break here in Kentucky. I mean, it's been snowing, raining, tornadoes, and then hot one day. But anyways, it's starting to go out. So we'll be going to Bowling Green, Kentucky to the drag strip before long, all right? So peace out.